Ikaw ba'y naghahanap ng VA agency? Nagpo-provide ng napakaraming benefits, napakagandang mga job opportunities, and at the same time, pinaka-importante, pakinggan mo to, nagbibigay ng work from home equipment. Yes! Kung ikaw ito mga may panoorin mo ito kasi baka ito na ay para sa'yo. Hey guys, it's Jam of Buhay Virtual Assistant, also a founder of Barangay VA Community and University. Dito, my goal is to help you guys close your first client online through my free VA course and challenges. So kung hindi mo pa nakukuha yung free VA course or challenge yan, naman hindi ka pa parte ng Barangay VA University at Community. Ayan no, nakalink sa ating description box. Click mo na yan, let's go. And of course, mami, naka-zoom na naman tayo dahil ibig sabihin yan, ay meron tayo review ng bagong VA agency. At ang pangalan ng VA agency yan ay DCX. Familiar ba? Narinig niyo na ba ako? First time ko lang to marinig. So kung gusto niyo malaman kung anong review ko about DCX, mga mi, ano na, isubscribe mo muna yan. Dahil hindi ako magsisimula nang hindi ka nakasubscribe. Isubscribe mo na, dali. At ngayon na subscribe mo na, hopefully, magsimula na tayo sa video ito. Let's go. Ito na po ang website ni DCX. Let's grow! So sabi dito, at DCX, we have ambitious US businesses scale their superstar teams. If you're looking to supercharge the growth of your business and highly trained global talent, then talk to us today. Talk to us today. Siyempre kung mag-apply ka, hindi ka dyan maglalagay, hindi ka dyan pipindot, no? Ayan, okay. Team members hired. 1,750 plus. Ang dami-dami. Malaki-laking kumpanya na to. Di ba? Scale your teams. Hala. Ayan, mga Pinoy na, oh. Mga Pinoy. Ang internal team. Hello, hello, hello. Ayan, di ba? Tingnan natin yung mga webs. Let's see what's in here, mga mi. Ito yung mga companies so far na they work with in America or in other countries. I know, looks like community-driven. Ayan, meron silang mga events, 'di ba? Community-driven, that's what I want. A VA agency na hindi dead comatose, pero may sense of community and family. Kasi importante 'yan. Lalo na if you're working from home, nag-iisa ka lang, te. Importante na parang may pamilya kang katrabaho, may tao kang kasama. Ayan. So, ayan o, see, community-centric sila. See, I love it for them. Ayan, pak. O, di ba? Yan pa lang yung homepage nila, Mi. So, let's see the team. Naku, sino ba tong team na to? Ayan. So, feeling ko itong dalawa yung tatlo. Itong tatlo. Apat! Itong apat yung founders. Feeling nila ba to? Let's see, let's see, let's see. 480 founders. Founders, ganun. Founders or partners. 1,750 associates hired, 30 plus US-based team members. Ito pala. Ayan o. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Let's go to the top. From the top. So si Lindsay, CSM, Emily, Director, Beth, Customer Service. So mga Americans to me. Will you be my American boy? Ganon. Asa yung iba? Asa yung mga Pinoy, me? Ang dami nila, grabe. Ito yung US team. Ito pala yung US team. So may US team, may Filipino team. I see. Asan yung Filipino team? Ito, the Philippines team. Ah, Jilu. Ayan sila. Oh, may kilala ba tayo dito? Let's see kung may kilala tayo dito. Wala tayong kilala dito. So, ayan sila, guys. Ayan sila. Filipino team. So, may US team sila. May Filipino team din sila. Bongga. Lucky, like it for them. Oh, ayan. At yung mga benefits nila. Health benefits. No? Health and wellness program, of course, para healthy dahil as a work from home person ay talagang stagnant lang tayo. Competitive pay, may team building, sila, activities na eh. Oh, so yun, di ba? Work from home allowance. Ay! and the DCX Promo Academy, which is their training program, I believe. Ayan, di ba? Ayan o, their culture, screenshot nyo na lang yan. Okay. Ayan, talagang community-driven sila guys. Oh, important yan. Important yung community-driven talaga pang malakasan. Okay, let's go over ano to pricing? Ano to? Okay. So, tinan mo So, monthly, sila naniningan ng client para, guys, on time sila makapagbayad sa inyo. Okay? And then, they're looking at parang more of 40 hours per week or full-time ang hinahanap nila para pagdating sa mga VAs ay they are secured ba? Oo, 'di ba? Hindi ito yung parang part-time na hindi ka there's a term parang alam mo yung security no na parang okay, financially stable ako. Yung stability ng VA and sustainability ng career ng VA nila, they value it. Kaya full-time ang hinahanap nila. Yun lang, ayan, 2 to 10 years of experience, of course. Pero let's see what kind of experience ang hinahanap nila. I'm sure nandun naman sa mga job descriptions. Ayan. Annual contract sa clients yan, hindi required. Flexi contract sila. Bachelor's degree or university experience. I see. I see. Pag sinabi ng degree nakatapos, university experience kahit hindi nakatapos. Ayan. Okay. Okay. Hindi naman ito para sa inyo. Let's see the careers. O, di ba? At DCXPH, we're all about matching talent with quality work. Our range of offshoring work guarantees you'll have the opportunity to grow your skills across a variety of different categories, working with some of the top companies in the US. So, ibig sabihin, hindi siya niche-specific na company. So, very, very diverse. May mga SMM and stuff. So, may mga GVA, EA, benefits, for working with them. Sabi niya, we put our employees first. Ayan, we know that their success is ours, that your success is our success. Our hands-on approach to training. So may training sila, Mi. O, di ba? May training, naghahanap kayo niyan, no? You'll always know how your work is going and how you can improve. You'll be able to work directly to one of on-the-ground management teams to make sure everything is running smoothly. So, everyone's treated fairly, may proper training, ayan, di ba? Tapos, merong teamwork. Ayan, di ba? And yes, sige, may sabihin. Ito yung mga ino-offer nila. So, most competitive pay in the industry, comprehensive benefits and perks, performance-based bonuses, health benefits package, okay, maternity leave, oh, di ba? Maternity benefits. Kung may maternity, feeling ko may paternity din to, guys. Benevolence fund, ay, taray, oh. PT or paid time off plans, and work from home with allowance. Okay? Ayan o. At DCX, we know the importance of great teamwork and company culture. So, importante yung culture sa kanila. Importante yan. Ayan. So, panoorin niyo lang yung video. Anyway, the link of this, guys, of this website ay nasa description box too. Um, and I've researched a lot sa TikTok kung namimigay ba talaga sila ng work from home tools. Ayan. Yes, they do. Namimigay sila ng hindi ko kita. Namimigay sila ng work from home equipment. So, madami ako napanood na video sa TikTok. So, legit guys, may monitor, may keyboard, may CPU, may headset, may camera, all of those stuff binibigay. So, namimigay sila ng work from home equipment for their VA. So, check nga natin yung mga openings mga mi. O, lalabas na mga openings. O, meron silang sariling job page. Okay? So, meron silang like mga filters. Of course, remote, full-time lang. O, tinignan guys, so puro full-time lang. Categories, client services or internal. Also, internal, tingnan natin. View jobs. Collections training, process writer. home-based PMO business partner, budget analyst, team lead, ay, home-based events and hospitality officer. Hala, magkano ang rate neto? The ideal candidate will be a warm, welcome personality with excellent organization skills, team player with ability to forge new partnerships at bridge community, strong communicator, um, solid facilitation, presentation skills, able to see big picture as well as small details. 3 a.m. to 12 p.m. CST, Monday to Friday, 60 to 70,000. Very proficient sa English. Okay. So andito lahat ng ating, ayan ang ating mga qualifications. So, all you have to do is to keep on reading. So, let's check the client services. Ayan. Pak. Oh, di ba? Collection specialist, home-based senior accountant, bookkeeper, team leader, billing coordinator, marketing trainee, supplier promo, e-commerce trainee, accounting specialist, AR specialist, or order entry production specialist. Ang dami guys. Iba-iba, EA, o 'di ba, graphic designer, sales assistant, AP specialist. Tignan nga natin yung marketing. Asan yung marketing diyan? Nakita ko. Marketing trainee. Magkano ang marketing trainee? Bakit kaya trainee? Ayan, number of openings 30. Ano? Ang dami dahi. Ito, Bob, at 2027 kasi trainee. Trainee ka pero may sahod ka, te. O, di ba? 2 a.m. to 11 a.m. So they train talaga. Like they literally train. They invest on training. I see. Let's see other openings pa. Ayan. Let's see marketing graphic designer. Ayan, magkano ang sahod yan? 45 to 50. Full time. Ayan, Eastern time. 'Di ba? Let's see their process. Meron pa dito. Ito, executive assistant. Let's see executive assistant. Oh, magkano ang EA? 40 to 50,000 pesos. Let's try to apply. Apply manually. Ayan. So, pwede kasing auto-drop yung resume, auto-fill yun. You have to create an account first. Okay, let's create. I understand and create account. Okay, DCX, if you're watching this, I'm so sorry. This is for video purposes para makita ko lang o mapakita ko lang yung process sa ating audience. So, merong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 sections. So, information, experience, application questions, voluntary disclosures, and review. So, how did you hear about us? Let's say, um, ba't wala dito yung iba? Walang social media, parang Facebook corporate page lang. Parang kulang siya. Okay, ito na lang. Have you previously employed by DCX? No, Philippines, Jam, Blauta. Okay. Street name. Guys, i-fill out ko lang to tapos babalik ako guys kasi ang mga details ay very very sensitive. Okay, ayan. Natapos ko na ang basic information. Now is work experience. Okay. So, okay, ito yung part where you actually basically add all your work experience. Okay. Your education and the languages that you know, type of skills, drop your your tawag dito, your resume, and the website or kung di website siguro LinkedIn. LinkedIn profile. Guys, kailangan yun ng LinkedIn profile You can add it here. Okay? I see. Grabe mo trabaho pala to, guys. Ang dami. Okay, ang dami nito. Pero worth it kasi given naman ang work from home equipment dito. So I guess ang mangyayari dyan, looking at it looking at it, pagkapasa mo, so may pre-qualifying pa. So experience pre-qualifying question. So looking at this guys, parang na-interview ka na nila. Ayan, di ba? Parang na-interview ka na nila. I want you to check it eh. I want you to see this. Kaso ang daming ang hinahanap. Anyway, so ganun. Um, I feel like after this form, pag syempre, nasubmit na yun sa portal nila, i-check nila yung portal nila per job openings. Ito lang yung iniisip ko ha. I-check nila yung portal nila for job openings. After that, guys, no, is they will call you for like interviews. Feeling ko, hindi ko alam kung direkta na sa client, no? Or, kasi ito yung application questions eh. 'Di ba? So, I don't know if may initial interview ba or baka i-check lang muna yung English mo and all. So, may initial call with the recruitment and then siguro client endorsement na. Or recruitment and then client endorsement and then training. I don't know. Maybe I should research about it pa. So, naghanap ako online ng ano nila, ng process nila, pero wala siya doon. But basically, feeling kong ganon. So, wala na tong system check kasi mamimigay sila ng kanilang work from home tools sa kanilang mga talents or sa kanilang mga VAs. Ayan. So, yan ang maganda dito. They provide the equipment. Ayan. They provide the training. After yan, I feel like onboarding. Ganon siya. So, I feel like mangyari niyan, pagpasa ng application, usually ganito yun eh. After passing the application, they will call you for an interview, ayan, and then they will go for, for pagpasado ka, training. After training is they will provide the equipment, ayan, after the equipment, they will now start getting you for client onboarding, client interview and then client onboarding. Ganun siya. So, ganyan ang usual process. So, yes, at ang dami nilang mga ano guys, mga tawag dito, mga job openings talaga, 54. Ayan, 48 para sa client services, pero pag lahat, 54. So definitely check them out, mga mi. Yan ang kanilang mga opportunities. I am very excited to learn more about DCX. Looks like a very, very legit one because I see it I see it online. Um, Hindi pa ako nakakilala ng friend na nag-work sa DCX. Though may nakita akong picture doon, parang nandito yung, eto siya, si Kay. Etong si Kay, friend ko to eh, kawork ko to dati sa restaurant. Ayan. O nga, siya nga yan, T. I'm gonna ask more about this. Update ko kayo. But definitely, if you're looking for a work from home job, 100% na full-time with good benefits, no? With work from home equipment, mga mi, DCX might be the right, okay, agency for you. What I like about what I saw today kay DCX is with their agency number one is meron silang magandang benefit package, no, na hindi lahat nagbibigay. Number two, community driven. Okay, very important yung sense of community sa isang agency, lalo na as a work from home person. Yung mga in-person events, very important din yan. You feel so belong seeing that they're doing it on an annual or on a yearly or annual basis. Sobrang plus point sa akin yon. Pangatlo is they provide the equipment, is a plus 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 for me. So, maganda and their rates are decent. Okay? Plus may learning center sila. So, um, maganda. I can't wait to see your testimonies about this. Kung nag-apply kayo at natatanggap kayo. Comment below kung ano pa ang gusto nyo i-review ni Bakla, no? At ibibigay ko sa inyo yan. Thank you and I'll see you guys on the next video. Good luck!